inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. How do we find inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix? Now let us consider the example here. So the example here says, find the inverse of matrix A with the entry 3, minus 4, 1, minus 2. We have to find the inverse. So we have these shortcuts for 2 by 2 matrix. It says if matrix A with entries A, B, C, D, like this, if you have this matrix A, 2 by 2 matrix, then the inverse of matrix A will be 1 over determinant of A, then multiply by what we have here. If you observe the matrix here and the matrix here very well, we have A, B, C, D here. Along this diagonal, AD, we have A here, we have D here. So we interchange them. If you interchange them, instead of A here, we're going to have D. Instead of D here, we're going to have A. So A and D here, along this diagonal, we interchange them. So to have, this. Then here we have B here we have C. B, C. We leave them like that here. We only attach minus. We put minus here, we put minus here. So this is what the law says here. It's a kind of shortcut to finding 2 by 2 matrix. And of course, the determinant of A will be A times D, which is AD here, then minus B times C, which is BC we have here. So, whenever we are given a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, A, B, C, D, then the inverse will be 1 all over the determinant of the matrix with the matrix we have here. How do we get this? We interchange the entries here. Then for the entries here, we leave them like that by attaching a minus to them. Now, let's apply the shortcuts here now, or the law to find the inverse here. So the question says, find the inverse of A with the entries 3, minus 4, 1, minus 2. So going by the law above, inverse of A will be 1 all over the determinant of A. Then we interchange the entries here according to the law. We have 3 here, we have minus 2, so we interchange them like that. So here we're going to have minus 2, then we're going to have 3 here. Then for the entries here, we leave them like that and we attach minus to them. Attaching minus to minus 4 here, we're going to have 4 there. Attaching minus A, we're going to have minus 1. And finally, what is the determinant of A? What is the determinant of A? And that would be 3 times minus 2, then minus 1 times minus 4. So doing that, so we're going to have 1 over 3 times minus 2, so we have 3 times minus 2, minus 1 times minus 4, 1 times, minus 4. Then we still have the matrix here, minus 2, 4, minus 1, 3. Now, from there, so we're going to have 1 over 3 times minus 2, so that's minus 6. Minus times minus here will give us plus, so we have plus 4 there. Then the matrix here remains the same. So we have minus 2, 4, minus 1, 3. And finally, we're going to have 1 over minus 4 plus minus 6 plus 4. So that is a minus 2. Minus 2, 4, minus 1, 3. So therefore, the inverse of the matrix given is this. So this is the final answer, the inverse of the given matrix.